Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Krakow, Poland, and I'm at Wawel Castle, and it's really amazing from the outside. Let's take a look real quick. I've done the inside, I've done the museum, I have videos on all of those, but I don't think I've ever done one from the outside, but let's take a look. It's pretty special. Yeah, and it's huge. It goes on for a long, long way, but look at the tower over here is pretty cool, and the little balcony up on top, and the huge wall. I mean, that wall, if you can look at the people in front of it, I mean, you know, I bet that wall's 50 feet tall. But let's see if we can walk around it a little bit so you can see what it's like. But I'm not going to go inside. I've done the insides before. Yeah, it's certainly a wow. I just did a drone video of the outside of it, so you can see it. You know, I did a full 360 all the way around it, so you can see it. But yeah, that's pretty spectacular, isn't it? I mean, again, look at the people and look at the wall. And it goes all the way out here and has the round turret type thing and arrow holes and all that stuff. Yeah, quite spectacular. Insides are neat too, but you know, I think I like the architectural structure and how you even build something like this way back when. Little kids on bikes, that's cute. Yeah, that's amazing. Wow. So this isn't even the front yet. This is just the southern corner. And it looks like they're doing construction on part of it up here. And it's got the great water spouts. Oh my gosh, look at the line to get inside. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Wow, yeah. And there's the statue of the horse too. Wow, look at that line. That is crazy. Crazy. Wow. Can you see the line up that? Oh my gosh. You know, I used to live right around the corner here. So I've been here a few times, and I'll tell you, the secret always is get here before all the tourists do, and then you get the place to yourself for the first hour. Wow. Is that spectacular? Yeah. Amazing. Oh my gosh, and there's more lines and more people and more tours. You know, it's funny, when I came here years and years ago, I don't know that it was such a tourist location, and now it has fully turned into a tourist location in big ways. Wow. And you can just see all the people. Thousands of people. Thousands and thousands of people. All these people just make my head hurt. And then if you keep going down this road, down this way, and turn left, you'll get to the dragon. And they have an actual fire-breathing dragon that goes off every hour or something, or every 2 hours. You have to look at the schedule for it, but it's pretty amazing. Wow. Okay, Wawel Castle. Very cool, everybody. Bye-bye.